Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to help you make the best choices for your routine. Today, we're reviewing the Fuji Spray Sunless 2175 soloTAN HVLP Spray Tan System with TAN7350 Applicator. This spray tan system is designed to bring the salon experience to your home, giving you that gorgeous sunless glow without stepping foot into a tanning booth. It's lightweight, portable, and packs some professional-grade features. But does it deliver on its promise? Let's take a closer look. The Fuji Spray Sunless 2175 soloTAN system comes with a powerful yet lightweight design that weighs in at less than 5 pounds. It's ideal for those who want a portable tanning solution, whether you're a professional or just someone who wants a flawless tan at home. The system includes a professional-grade all-metal applicator, which ensures durability and smooth operation. Plus, with a 250cc solution capacity, you'll have enough liquid to complete a full session without needing constant refills. The kit also comes with a detailed user manual to help you get started, so even if you've never used a spray tanning system before, you can dive in with confidence. But how does it actually perform? Personally, I found the system incredibly easy to use, and I love how lightweight and portable it is. The applicator feels solid in your hand, thanks to its all-metal construction, and it's comfortable enough to hold for longer sessions without straining your wrist. The HVLP, high-volume, low-pressure technology ensures a fine, even mist, which is key for achieving a natural-looking tan without streaks. When testing it out, I appreciated how smooth the application was. The solution dispersed evenly, giving me a streak-free tan that dried quickly. The portable design is also a game-changer. Whether you're using it in your bathroom or outdoors, it's easy to set up and move around. I did notice that with the 250cc capacity, I was able to apply a full-body tan without needing to refill, which made the process a lot more convenient. However, if you're planning to use it for multiple clients or very large areas, you might need to refill more frequently. Now, let's break it down. Pros: lightweight and portable. At less than 5 pounds, it's easy to transport and store. Durable all-metal applicator. Feels professional grade and adds to the longevity of the system. Even application. The HVLP technology ensures that your tan comes out smooth and streak-free. Sufficient capacity. The 250cc tank is enough for a full-body session, which saves time during application. Cons: refilling for larger jobs. While it's great for personal use, you might find yourself needing to refill more often if you're tanning multiple people or doing large areas like your back repeatedly. Price point. It's definitely an investment, so if you're just looking for a quick at-home tan, this might not be for you. As for value for money, this system is definitely priced at a premium, but if you're looking for a top-tier spray tanning experience at home, it could be well worth it. The durability, performance, and ease of use make it stand out in the market. If you're someone who gets spray tans regularly or is looking to start offering spray tans to clients, this could be a solid investment. In comparison to other home spray tan systems, the Fuji Spray Sunless system stands out with its professional-grade design and even application. While some alternatives may be cheaper, you're not going to get the same build quality and precision that you get with this one. In terms of build quality, the all-metal applicator is built to last, and the compact size of the unit ensures you can store it easily. I haven't noticed any decline in performance over time, and it looks like this system could handle a lot of use. Customer support from Fuji Spray is known to be responsive and helpful, which is always a plus when investing in a professional-grade product. If you're looking for an alternative, there are cheaper options on the market, but they typically come with plastic applicators and smaller solution capacities. If you're okay with a more basic setup, you can find alternatives that will get the job done, but you'll likely miss out on the professional feel and results that this system provides. To wrap it up, the Fuji Spray Sunless 2175 soloTAN HVLP Spray Tan System delivers a professional quality tan right at home. It's easy to use, efficient, and provides a smooth, streak-free finish. However, the price and the need for frequent refills for larger jobs might be a consideration for some. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Fuji Spray Sunless 2175 soloTAN system, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.